Hello, my name is Dr. Lim from Clique Malaysia. Today, we're going to talk about PLINEST. So what really is PLINEST? PLINEST is a father of polynucleotide gel. It's a category changer that rejuvenate and restore the skin health from within. Using DNA fragments extracted from Italian high-quality trout fish, PLINEST can be considered as the Ferrari of regenerative gels in aesthetic market. It improves skin quality from within, promoting skin bio-revitalization and collagen stimulation via natural biological process. Patients treated with PLINEST will have better skin radiance, youthful-looking textures, better skin elasticity, making them looking young and healthy. It is used once a month for 3 months and can be repeated 6 to 12 months after the first treatment. For those who are looking to improve their skin quality, I think PLINEST will be a great treatment modality for you.